Hey there, it's Being Queen Bee. So, there are some days during the week that I honestly prefer not to wear foundation or rock a minimal makeup without a foundation or concealer. And this is because I love to leave my skin alone some days and feel more lightweight and fresh, while still getting some colors. And foundation is meant to even the skin, but there's a way to make your skin and makeup look flawless without foundation. And that, let's start. So first step, prep your skin, and as you know, the skin is the protagonist for this makeup, and we want our skin to look as even flawless and fresh as possible, and you want to do this without foundation. So prepping the skin is a must do. And for um oily to normal skin, use some moisturizer and oil at the end of it, and don't forget to do your sunscreen. I thought I recorded the part that I do my sunscreen, but unfortunately for me, I did not turn the record on, so I don't have that part. Step 2, prime your skin even if you are not wearing foundation. Applying a face primer or foundation primer is a must. Primer blurs the pores, make you more matte, and control excess oiliness or leave a radiant dewy finish depending on the primer that you are using on your skin. If you are oily skin, or you should be wearing a primer that is of your skin type, like you should be using a mattifying. If you're dry skin, you should be using hydrating primer. Second step is color correcting, and depending on your undertones, you are supposed to use different colors to correct your skin to your dark spots. And for me, I am purple, but I still don't like correcting with either a purple lipstick or anything. I just use an orange lipstick and blend it away. Blend. Step 3, apply concealer. You have blemishes, dark under eyes, red around the nose, the cheeks, or other areas that you want coverage, or even if you're not wearing foundation. So what you can do is to apply it in a smart and correct way. That is under your eyes, your nose. I don't know how that is called. And then that just the places that you highlight, and also the places that needs concealing. So at this point, we don't want to use so much lighter shade than our skin. We normally do when we use a foundation. Try a concealer that is similar to your foundation shade or just one shade lighter and blend it away. For blush, bronze, and contour or highlight, the right way to wear blush without foundation is by using a cream or a liquid blush and applying all of these, like the blush, bronze, and highlights. It's very advisable to use a cream. So with all of these, I'm going to use cream, even though using powder is also good enough. But the cream, the liquid, and all that just give you that shiny, bright finishing look. You can skip this step, but today I had really those eye bags that I needed, to fade them away. So I'm going to bake, which is not advisable. After this part, you can just use your compact powder and powder your face. Step 6 is your eyebrows, and opt for a natural eyebrows makeup always, because we're going to for no makeup kind of thingy. So going with a little bit of eyebrows, just stroke them and we're done. You can wear eyeliner. So at this point you can either wear a colored eyeliner or you can wear a black eyeliner, depending with what you want to achieve. So for me, I went to the darker eyeliner and colored it with like a shimmery gold eyeliner. I have never used this eyeliner, so using it today. I bought it a while ago, but I didn't use it, so using it today is way good. And for mascara, for those who have little or long lashes, this mascara is the dope. This high is the dope. So if you don't have lashes like the way I don't have lashes, you can use a natural looking lashes. For me, I don't know if these are natural looking, but girl, we have to do our lashes like it has to be there. And warm your bronzer up, warm it up with a powdered bronzer. And then to warm up our entire face, you need to use your compact powder that matches your skin tone. And also blush, build it up slowly. We said no foundation, but we want our face to have a bit of color. You understand? For highlights, I'm going to use a cream highlighter. And first, I'm just gonna use my hands because your hands are warm and makes it easier for any product that you are liquid or cream product that you're applying on your face to apply smoothly, because your hands warms it up. That makes it easier. Then just fix it with a face fix spray, like makeup fix spray. I don't know what I'm saying, like therefore lipstick looks just fabulous even if we are not wearing foundation. I love to do that even when I'm not wearing foundation. So go for whatever you want. You can either try natural nude lip or a bold red lip. Oh, I'm shrubbing. And so I went for a bold red lip. I haven't rocked a red lip since 2020 because I messed up a time and I felt shy for using that. So that is what we are going to do right now. Most of the steps that I did are like this one is just pointless. If you don't want, you don't use it. But even if I'm not wearing that foundation, I just want to look, you know fab. Who doesn't want to look fab? We want to look simple and you can look, stunning. So beauties, that is all I had for you today, and let me see you next time on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Until I'll see you next time, you have a blessed day. Bye.